The very first step is to open Adobe Photoshop CS6. Click your Start menu and click Adobe Photoshop CS6. It'll start to load and it may take a while depending on your laptop. Once your program loads, the next step is to click File and then Open so you can find your photo that you want to alter. I'm going through various steps to find my photo where it's saved. You may have to go through a variety of different steps to find where you saved your photo. Once you find it, however, click Open. Now we're going to crop this photo. You're going to go to your crop tool on the left side, click it. In the drop down at the top, you want to pick the 1x1 square. That'll change your crop to a square. Resize that and move it around until you're happy with the area that is being cropped. You will only keep the information inside the lighter part of the square. The rest will be gone. When you're done, hit Enter. If it asks you to crop the image, just choose Crop. Now we're going to change the picture to black and white. Go to Image, Mode, and select Grayscale. Click Discard to discard the color information. This will give you a black and white image that'll work perfectly. Click Filter, Filter Gallery, and open the Artistic folder at the top so you can select Cutout in the center. Now that you've selected Cutout, change the number of levels, the edge simplicity, and the edge fidelity until things look good. You should work between 3 and 5 levels. So find an amount that's appropriate for your photograph and play with the sliders for simplicity and fidelity until you find something that you're happy with. When you're happy with all of your adjustments, at the top is your OK button. Click OK. This will apply the filter to your photograph. Now we just need to change the size to prepare for printing. Go to Image, Image Size, and change the width and the height to 8 inches. Make sure it's in inches, and it should stay square, so after I type in 8 for width, it automatically changes height. Now I'm ready to print. Choose File and Print. We would like to change the corner crop mark so you can see the corners if you have a white background. So scroll down and under Printing Marks, select Corner Crop Marks in the checkbox. Finally, at the top, you need to select the printer you want to print to. In our case, it's Art 2. And that's a simple use of the cutout filter in 7 steps.